Hi everyone, it's Sheila and welcome to my channel, Face and Fashions. On my channel, I do unboxings of all sorts. So if you are new to my channel and you like unboxing videos, definitely hit on that subscribe button down below. I would really appreciate it. And to my returning subscribers, as always, thank you and welcome back. Now, before I get into what I'm going to show you in this video, I also just wanted to give you the heads up. Right now, I'm having a Christmas giveaway until December 12th, 2020. So if you are interested in entering that giveaway, I will leave the link in the description box down below, or I will leave the link right up here. You can click on that and go enter that giveaway. I have a whole bunch of makeup and little goodies in that. So definitely, if you're interested, go check that out. Now, what I have this month is my woven t-shirt to open and share with you guys. And for those of you who don't know what woven is, it is just like what I said, is a t-shirt subscription service. This is not even mine, this is my husband's, and this is his one little subscription that he gets every month. And I have told you guys in the past that my husband works in a warehouse, and this is his go-to uniform every day. He needs t-shirts, so this is his one little subscription box that he gets. And what it costs, it's if you order a blank t-shirt, it's $9 for a short sleeve top, and you can choose between crew neck and v-neck also. But if you get a graphics, they have a graphic design every month. You don't get to pick it. They have a graphic artist and you get what you get, and that's $13 a month. Now, I have a link that if you would like to try your first box or your first t-shirt, you can get 50% off your first t-shirt. They also do have long sleeves also, which I need to switch over to because my husband's going to stop wearing these shirts pretty soon and he needs some long sleeves. But the long sleeves, I checked out. They only have graphics. You can't get the blank t-shirts in long sleeves, and they're $18. So there's a big price jump with that. So I just wanted to give you a heads up about that, but they do offer that. And every month you can pick and choose your colors, and I think my husband's probably got every color in the rainbow so far. So now he is on to this month. We got him a lovely brown, nice basic brown. Can't go wrong with that. Nice fall color, I say. Ha. All right. Well, I hope you guys are having a lovely day. And like I said, if you are interested in trying woven, I would recommend their t-shirts do not shrink. And he works in a warehouse and he goes through his t-shirts and there is no holes in these. They are lasting very nicely. So anyway, remember, I have a giveaway going on right now. Definitely go check that out until December 12th, 2020. And I hope you guys are having a lovely day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.